Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new tutorial and I created this look right here, this super dramatic rhinestone makeup. I wanted to do this look for such a long time and I finally did it, and I love it. I think it looks so cool. So if you guys want to go all out for New Year's, then I definitely got the tutorial for you. So if you guys like this look and you want to see how to recreate it, or if you just want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we are zoomed in, and before we get started, I just want to show you guys the look that I'm going for. So this is by Tanyel J MUA. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but she's on Instagram. I saw this photo like 1 or 2 years ago and I wanted to do it ever since I saw it, so I'm finally doing it. So I want to get started right away. So the first thing we are going to do is apply a crease color. Now this is going to be covered with rhinestones anyways, but I just feel like I have to do it, you know. So I'm gonna go in with the Maven Beauty Medium Blend Eyeshadow Palette. This has been my go-to crease color for a whole year. I got this a year ago and it's just the best crease color. So I'm gonna use that one. So I'm gonna take it on a fluffy blending brush. This is the Huda Beauty Eye Blender eyeshadow brush. And we're just gonna go right into the crease. And like I said, I don't think you're gonna be able to see this when I put the rhinestones on, but I just feel like it would look so naked without it, so I'm gonna apply it. So I've applied it in my crease, and now I'm just gonna drag it along my lower lash line as well. So here you can kind of see the difference. It just adds a little bit depth and shape and dimension to the eyes, since it was very flat from the beginning because I had some concealer on it. And I think that's about it. Like I said, I just wanted a little bit to kind of shape my eyes a little bit because it was looking very naked. So first step is done. Now before I go in with the shimmer, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of baking. I forgot to do this before the first eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna apply it now. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the silver, and before I apply the actual eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with a liquid base to get it really nice and intense. So I'm gonna use the Nabla liquid eyeshadow in the shade Etherial, and I'm just gonna apply this directly onto my lid, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. And now quickly before the liquid eyeshadow dries, I'm gonna go in with this silver eyeshadow from the Nabla Platinum Cutie palette. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my lid and cover the liquid eyeshadow. And normally I would probably just keep it on the lid, but since this is gonna be like a very dramatic and like super sparkly look, I'm just gonna, as you can see, I'm kind of dragging it up into the crease color because I think that's gonna look really good in the end result. This is really my favorite silver eyeshadow. I think it's so beautiful and so metallic, and if I ever want to do a silver eyeshadow look, I always go for this one. I don't know if I want to do silver on the bottom lash line. I think I'm gonna apply the rhinestones and then we'll see if I want to add it. I might add it just in like the inner corners, but I'm gonna leave it like this for now. So now we're gonna move on to eyeliner, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna create a simple liner, kind of thin across my lash line, and then I'm gonna wing it out a little bit in the outer corners, and then I'm also gonna do like my little inner corner wing that I always do. I feel so naked without it, so I'm definitely doing that. So something like this. Now I want to smoke this out a little bit and kind of drag it out in the wing. So I'm gonna go in with this black eyeshadow from the Maven Beauty Define eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the black one, of course. And I'm just gonna take this on an angled brush and I'm gonna, you know, just smoke it out like I usually do. I definitely am more of a smoky liner type of girl, so that's why I like to do this. So now I'm just switching to this little pencil brush, and I'm just kind of making sure that it's really soft and blended, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. And here you can really see like the difference. I just like this smoky look so much better. And obviously if you want to do just like a liquid liner, you can totally do that. This just like my preference, you know. Should we do some black line? By the way, guys, I broke this nail. It's so embarrassing. I think I'm gonna do short nails just for a little while because I cannot apply any like product on top of this one because I absolutely ripped it off when I went grocery shopping the other night, and it was just so painful. Like there's almost no nail left, so excuse the little baby nail. But yeah, we should do some liner in my waterline. So I'm gonna use the Nabla Cupid's Arrow eyeliner pen thing in the shade Arrow number 4. And I kind of liked how, I think she, in the photo, she only had like the outer half, so I'm gonna do that. This one is so pigmented. I'm just gonna apply a little bit like that. And then I'm gonna take the same brush with the black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna, kind of blend it out a little bit. It's gonna look better when I apply my lashes, but you get the thing. I'm kind of scared to apply the rhinestones now because I really like the way this looks, but we are gonna do it. But before we do that, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna use the Kix Daring False Lash Mascara, and I'm gonna apply this on my top and bottom lashes. Normally I would apply my lashes now, but because I want to be able to see where I place the rhinestones, I'm actually gonna wait and do my lashes until after I put the rhinestones on. So I have these rhinestones right here. I bought them as AliExpress, where I buy my lashes. It's like a eBay type of store, so you can probably find these on like eBay or I don't know, Wish, those kind of websites. So I don't know if you guys can see, but they have different sizes. So I'm gonna use a mixture of all of them. And I'm just gonna pull up that photo again that she had because I really like the placement of the rhinestones in this photo. So I'm just gonna have this in front of me and we're just gonna go ahead and apply the rhinestones. I'm gonna use just some clear lash glue to apply them. I'm gonna do like a dot on the lid and then I'm gonna pick up the rhinestone and put it on the dot with the glue. This is definitely gonna take a little while, so I'm just gonna put on some music and you guys can just watch what I'm doing. Alright, so this is with the rhinestones on. It looks a little bit crazy because my lights are so bright. So I'm gonna try to turn them down a little bit after I put my lashes on. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna apply my lashes because I definitely feel like this looks needs some lashes on me. So I'm gonna use my favorite ones. These are from Fyndiq. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the lashes. The lashes definitely completed this look in my opinion. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out. We're gonna do the lips and I'm gonna try to turn down the light so you can see like the eye look a little bit better, because right now in my viewfinder it just looks white and it looks a little bit weird. But yeah, I'm gonna zoom you guys out and I'll be back in 1 second. So I obviously did my base before the eyes because the eyes are like everywhere. But yeah, I can write in the description box what I used for my face if you want to know what products I used for that. But for the lips, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Nude. And then my lip pencil is Morphe Love Bites. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys like this video, and this is gonna be my last video for the year. So I just want to thank you guys for sticking with me for a whole nother year. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys like this video and this makeup look. If you recreate it, I would love to see it, so please tag me if you do. But yeah, that's all for me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.